So welcome back to Rock Solid Motorsports. Today we have the true privilege to introduce you to this stunning 1999 Plymouth Prowler Roadster. And this car comes to us just an exceptional example of the Plymouth Prowlers, finished in its original high gloss black paint and that black leather interior. Just gives these a just proper street rod look, and that's what Plymouth was going for with the introduction of the Prowler. And the 1999 model was the third year production for the Plymouth Prowler, and with it came some improvements, namely in the performance area, where these were given a horsepower bump from 214 horsepower to 253, which dropped the 0 to 60 to a very respectable 5.9 seconds. So not only were these just already a great looking, just street rod, modern day street rod, but they became a great performing sports car as well. And this car, I mean, is just near flawless with just 2,600 actual miles. I mean, it presents as such. Just a very well preserved and maintained example of these Prowlers, extremely well cared for and just lovingly enjoyed for just those few miles. But not only is this a great looking Prowler, it's a great driving example as well. So we'll go grab the other cameras and take it for a test drive. Got a duck with the top on.
Yeah. Reminds me of a C1 Corvette.
A little bit. Just getting in and out of it. Nothing.
Yeah. Oh,
it's nothing like it. Yeah, so yeah, now we're going to go for a test drive in that stunning 1999 Plymouth Prowler.
Except for maybe retro styling.
Yeah.
It does have a lot. These cars got a ton of retro styling.
They do. And actually, I mean, they do look the part. I mean, it's a modern day street ride. I mean, they accomplished what they were setting out to do. And I mean, the black on black is just a stunning combo on this car.
That 3.5 liter fires right up, though.
It does.
No excuses.
I always thought these Prowlers had kind of a neat exhaust note. It was just kind of unlike anything else. It was tuned nicely.
Yeah. For a stock V6, they sound great.
They do.
And this particular Prowler on the odometer is 2,610 miles.
Yeah, I mean, it is extremely low miles. I mean, it's getting harder and harder to find these with this low mileage and this well maintained.
Yeah.
I mean, this car, it runs and drives excellently. It doesn't feel like a car that's been sitting.
No, it doesn't have those storage issues.
No.
You know, no mildew, no.
Yeah.
It's just very well cleaned.
Yeah, regularly started, and yeah, so just, I mean, it's a great example of these Prowlers, and it's the years you want to. I mean, after 99, you got that nice, like, 37 horsepower bump, and it makes a dramatic difference.
Yeah, it's almost 20%
Yeah.
gain, so it's huge.
So they're a lot more fun to drive. I mean, all Prowlers have a nice go-kart style handling. What was that one?
I can't remember.
But yeah, they all have a nice, great go-kart style handling to them. And this one's no exception. That extra horsepower with that 0 to 60 in about 5.9 seconds. I mean, it makes it a fun, just great driving sports car.
It does. And they're nicely optioned, you know, with all your modern amenities. This is AM/FM cassette with that awesome joystick.
Yeah, fade balance.
Yeah. You got AC. You got cruise control, full instrumentation, including, you know, factory tach, which is cool how they put it on the steering column.
Yeah, I know.
Kind of that old school vibe.
Yeah, same with like the gauges all in a line with the speedo kind of centered in the middle of the dash. I mean, there's a lot of neat like kind of throwbacks to like a lot of your like street rods. And I mean, like I said, I mean, they did such a great job. These on top of that, I mean, but there's a lot of modern technology in these. I mean, that unique aluminum extrusion chassis with the cantilever front suspension, and I mean, or pushrod style front suspension. I mean, it's an awesome car. I mean, these were just engineering.
They're adjustable suspension, aren't they?
The coilovers, yeah, probably.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're Coney shocks, coilovers up front. I mean, great driving cars. I mean, they're a lot more comfortable with the top down. I mean, they're a ball in the summertime. But actually, these seats are pretty comfortable. They hug you just right.
And this car is truly an excellent example, collector grade example of a Prowler.
For sure.
And that sleek black, polished wheels.
Yeah.
Handling the roundabout just like it should.
Yeah, like you just went to a car with independent rear suspension and let that 3.5 breathe a little bit. There's 60.
Pretty quick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, went through all the gears just like it should. It shifts kind of snappy, kind of reminiscent of like a old like street rod with a shift kit.
Yeah. And a good note. I mean, it sounded good.
And like I said earlier, I think these always had like a really neat exhaust note from the factory for a V6. One of the best sounding V6s I've ever heard. And they're a fun car. If you want modern reliability with some vintage looks, I mean, these Prowlers are still very popular today, especially at cruises and car shows. Guys like seeing them. It is such a unique, I mean, Plymouth, of course, no longer in business, and no other auto manufacturer has attempted to do anything like this. So these are just such a unique piece of automotive history.
Oh, yeah.
So, I mean, if you're in the market for one and you want to know what it's like to own a Plymouth Prowler and it runs, drives, and presents like new, if you missed out buying one when they were new, I mean, this is your chance. I mean, this car does everything like it should, and it presents and drives like you'd expect from one with just over 2,600 original miles.
Yeah.
So, yeah, you're definitely going to stay tuned for that walk-around inspection. There's really not that many defects on this car. I count them on one hand. This is an exceptional collector grade example, and you're definitely not going to want to miss out, so definitely stay tuned. So now that we're done with the test drive, we'll move on to the walk around inspection portion of the test drive video, and this really will not take long. One, this is not a very big car, and two, this car is near mint. So we'll just go in. It's going to be just a nice highlight reel of just what is a collector grade Plymouth Prowler. But coming into the driver's side of the windshield, there's no nicks, scratches of any kind. It's just excellent. Your window surround is very clean. The driver's side of your hood is nice and straight, not noticing any defects to note. Same with your headlight assemblies, your side curtains, all your side body work. I mean, there's no stone chips. There might be a very faint scratch way down low, real nitpicky, that'll even probably buff out. Yeah, that's in the clear. I mean, even your suspension's nice and bright. It doesn't have any chips in the paint there. Your factory 5-spoke polished wheels are in excellent condition throughout. Wrapped in Goodyear Eagle tires, and that one's dated 13, but your fender's nice and clean. Your front bumperette is in excellent condition. Nothing really to note there. That's dust. But yeah, even your front fascia and grille are just absent of stone chips. You do have some cleaner that I just wiped off. This bumper, again, some light dust, but nothing to really note. Your Plymouth emblem on the hood is nice and bright. Passenger side of your hood's nice and straight, just like the driver's side, with no defects. And that paint is just excellent throughout. That factory black, very little orange peel, if any at all. Passenger side front fender is in excellent condition. Same with your passenger side curtains and bodywork. Again, passenger front wheel just as nice as the driver's side front.
They're all in excellent condition.
Passenger side of the windshield is nice and clean and clear. For any defects, you can kind of see the dash through the windshield. I mean, that's nice and straight. No warping. I mean, this car throughout presents like a 2,600 mile car should. Your lower rocker cover is in excellent condition. Your door's nice and straight, not seeing anything to note there. Your factory side glass is in excellent condition.
Cleaner.
Then coming inside, you'll find an interior that's just as nice as the exterior.
Of course, very clean doors. Extremely clean door jambs. Door openings. No scratches, no wear. Same with the door panel, nice and straight, no warpage. What you would expect, get a little closer, what you would expect on a 2,000-mile car. Like Tyler said, the dash is nice and straight, no warpage, no cracking. Instrument surrounds in excellent condition. Same with the passenger side of the dash. The leather on the boot for your parking brakes in excellent condition. Just throughout this car. Both leather seats show little to no wear, especially the passenger seat. It's in excellent condition. Inside your soft top is in excellent condition.
Coming back outside of the car, you'll see the passenger side of the soft top is extremely clean. No pinches, no seams pulling. Your right rear fender is nice and straight and clean. Right rear quarter. Same with your right rear wheel. Shines nice and bright like the other two that we've shown you so far. Your tail light lens is nice and clear, free of any defects. And the entire trunk lid area is extremely clean. Your third brake light. Your two rear bumperettes are absolutely mint. And both your polished exhaust tips, look like new.
Plymouth.
You're definitely going to want to check out the underside photos on this car because the bottom side of this car presents just as nice as everything else we've shown you so far.
Oh, it does. Those paper labels.
Yeah.
Attached from the factory.
Your left rear wheel, excellent again.
See a little bit of that frame, nice and clean.
We'll come across the driver's side of the top. Again, excellent condition. There just are almost no condition items to note on this car. Your driver's side glass is in excellent condition. On your driver's side mirror, there is a handful of just 3 little chips right in a line there. But that is about it.
Very nice reflection in that beautiful black paint. Coming into the driver's side portion of the interior, very comparable to the passenger side in excellent condition. Collector grade. They're just, the buttons and stuff don't look like they've ever been used. Your door openings nice and clean. The door jamb. Driver's side mat, you actually have the factory mats underneath the aftermarket mats, and your factory carpet's in excellent condition. Driver's side portion of the dash is in excellent condition. Steering wheel showing little to no wear. And with all the buttons on the interior are in excellent condition. Clean, just like this car should be with 2,000 miles. The driver's side leather, it's in excellent condition.
And coming under the hood, you'll find a very factory unmolested engine compartment showcasing that awesome 3.5 liter V6. Completely factory and unmodified, and you get kind of a neat look here behind the grille of that very unique suspension setup on the Prowler. We'll go ahead and get on in the Prowler, fire it up, and show you some lights working. 3.6 of the tires right up, that's how it should. Not funny noises. It purrs like a frog. Your headlights, brights, driver side front turn signal, passenger side turn signal. All your forward lights work just as they should. What a sleek looking Prowler. Running lights, brake lights, driver side rear turn signal, passenger side rear turn signal, reverse lights. All your lights work just as they should. So if you're in the market for just an excellent example of these Plymouth Prowlers, or you just want to know what it's like to own one, like when it was brand new back in 1999, you're going to want to take an extremely close look at this 1999 Prowler. It doesn't get any nicer than this, so definitely check out the full listing. Rock Solid Motorsports.